In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a JSON file in N8n quickly and easily. Whether you're new to N8n or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and precision, ensuring you're equipped with the know-how to successfully upload your files. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the N8n homepage. This is your go-to platform for creating complex workflows with ease. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on that to enter your credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a minute to do so. Having an account is essential as it unlocks the full potential of N8n's automation capabilities. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the N8n dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, offering a broad overview of all your workflows. Now, look for the Create Workflow button. This button is usually highlighted, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Click on it to start a new workflow. Remember, the layout might seem a little overwhelming at first, but as you get used to it, you'll find it's quite straightforward. Now that you've clicked on Create Workflow, you're ready to start adding nodes. Nodes are essentially the building blocks of any workflow in N8n, each one representing a specific function or operation. To add a node, look for an option or button labeled Add Nodes. Clicking this will bring up a search bar, making it easy to find specific nodes. Type in Read in the search bar. This will filter through the available options and bring up the Read/Write files from disk node. Click on this option. Selecting this node is crucial because it allows you to interact with files on your disk, including uploading JSON files. At this stage, you're all set to configure your node. Up till now, the process has mostly involved navigation, but now you'll begin interacting with the node settings. Here you can specify path details or any particular parameters your JSON file might require. Keep in mind that these settings can vary based on how your files are organized, so be sure to have those details ready. Uploading a JSON file is an essential task that becomes intuitive with practice. These steps should serve as a reliable guide to help you through the process, ensuring that even the most complex functionalities of N8n are at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you with the knowledge to harness the robust features of N8n for your automation needs.